Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard CBSE Maths, chapter 9, exercise 9.4. First sum, dy by dx equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. In this exercise, we are going to see about the variable separable method. You can bring the variables to one side. See here, dy equal to, dy and dx should be in the numerator. You can see through it, dy and dx should be in the numerator. Dy equal to 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into dx. See, x, all the variables on one side. Dy equal to, what is 1 minus cos x trigonometric values? 2 sin square x by 2 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. 2 get cancelled. dy equal to sin by cos is nothing but what? Tan square x by 2 into dx. Tan square x by 2 into dx. Integrating on both the sides, tan square x by 2, you can use the identity tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. Integral dy equal to integral secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. Integral secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. So, integral dy equal to integral secant square x by 2 minus integral dx. What is the integration of dy? Y equal to integration of secant square x is nothing but what? Tan x. But x coefficient you can write it in the denominator. So, tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 minus x plus c. So, y equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c is the required differential equation. See the second sum, dy by dx equal to root of 4 minus y square. So, variable separable method. So, you can bring it dy by root of 4 minus y square equal to dx. You can see to that dy and dx should be in the numerator. So, integral dy by root of 4 means what? 2 square minus y square equal to integral dx. Integral dx, what is the formula for integral dx by root of a square minus x square equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Sin inverse of x by a plus c. So, integral dy by root of 2 square minus y square equal to sin inverse of y by a, y by 2 equal to x plus c. Integral dx is x. Integral dy by root of 2 square minus y square, a square minus x square. In the place of a you replace by 2 and x you replace by what? Y. So, y by 2 equal to x plus c is the required general solution. See here, dy by dx plus 1 equal, y equal to 1, y not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, 1 get cancelled. See here, dy by dx equal to 1 minus y. Dy by dx equal to 1 minus y. Variable separable method. Dy by dx equal to minus, you can take it out. What is the result? Y minus 1. Y minus 1. See here, minus into plus minus y, minus into minus plus 1. So dy by dx equal to minus of y minus 1. So dy by y minus 1 equal to minus dx. dy by, so you can bring this term to the left hand side and dx to the right hand side. dy by y minus 1 equal to minus dx, integrating on both the sides. See, what is the differentiation of y? 1 into dy. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. So when you differentiate the denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator log of modulus of the denominator. So log of modulus of y minus 1 equal to minus x plus c. Log of modulus of y minus 1 equal to minus x plus c. See, you can see here, you can take the value. Taking antilog on both the sides or raising the power e on both the sides. Y minus 1 equal to e power minus x into e power c. E power minus x into e power c. Y minus 1 equal to e power minus xc. Y minus 1 equal to e power minus xc is the required general, or y equal to 1 plus e power minus xc is the required general solution. Required general solution. Y equal to 1 plus e power minus xc is the required general solution. See, secant square x into tan y into dx plus secant square y tan x into dy equal to 0. Secant square x into tan y into dx equal to minus secant square y tan x into dy. You can separate the variables. See, x is there, x. So you can bring the x here. So what is the value? Secant square x by tan x. Secant square x by tan x into dx equal to minus secant square y by tan y into dy. Integrating on both the sides. Integration of tan x is secant square x. Integration of tan y is secant square y. So when you integrate denominator, you are getting the value of the numerator. So differentiation of tan x is secant square x. When you differentiate tan x, you are getting the value of the numerator. You can write log of. See, differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So log of modulus of tan x equal to minus, the same way you can proceed here. Differentiation of tan y is secant square y minus log of modulus of tan y plus log c. Whenever you can write log on both the sides, you will write log c also. Log of mod c. Log of mod c. Log of modulus of tan x. Log of modulus of tan x plus log of modulus of tan y. Log of modulus of tan x plus log of modulus of tan y equal to log of mod c. Log of mod c. Log m plus log n equal to log mn. So log of modulus of tan x tan y. Tan x tan y equal to log of mod c. Taking antilog on both the sides. What is the answer you are getting? Tan x tan y. Tan x tan y equal to c is the required general solution. 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 See the fifth sum. E power x plus e power minus x into dy equal to e power x plus e power minus x into dy equal to, you can bring it to the right hand side, e power x minus e power x into dx. So variable separable method. So this is also x term, you can bring it to this side, dy equal to e power x minus e power x by e power x plus e power minus x into dx, integrating on both the sides, What is the integration of dy? Y. Integration of dy equal to y. See here, differentiation of e power x, differentiation of e power minus x, into minus 1, so minus e power x, or otherwise you can write it in a upper column also, e power x plus e power minus x, you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x, e power x plus e power minus x into minus 1 into dx equal to dt, equal to dt. So e power x minus e power minus x into dx equal to dt. So what is that value? E power x minus e power minus x into dx equal to dt by t equal to log of mod t, or otherwise straight away you check the value of the denominator, differentiation of the denominator, e power x, differentiation of e power x is e power x, e power minus x is what? E power minus x into minus 1. So log of modulus of e power x plus e power minus x, plus e power minus x plus c, log of e power x plus e power minus x, plus e power minus x plus c is the required general solution, See the sixth sum, variable separable. So dy by 1 plus y square, equal to 1 plus x square into dx. dy by, you can separate the variables, dy by 1 plus y square equal to 1 plus x square into dx. So integrating on both the sides. So integral dy by 1 square plus y square equal to integral dx plus integral x square dx, integral 1 into dx plus integral x square into dx. So what is the formula for integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So it gives integral dy by 1 square plus y square equal to 1 by 1 tan inverse of, because this is a square and this is x square, tan inverse of x by a, that is y by 1 equal to integral dx is nothing but x plus integral x square, x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So tan inverse of y equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus c is the required general solution, is the required general solution. See the seventh sum, y log y into dx minus x dy equal to 0. Y log y into dx equal to x dy. Variable separable, or you will write like this: x dy equal to y log y into dx, because if it is equal to sign, you can write in such a way. So variable separable method: dy by y log y, dy by y log y equal to dx by x, dy by y log y equal to dx by x, integrating on both the sides. See here log y, can write it here d1 by y into 1 by log y into dy equal to integral dx by x, or you can take it as log y equal to t, log y equal to t. Differentiate with respect to y on both the sides. What is the answer you are getting? 1 by y into dy, 1 by y, and because differentiate with respect to y, 1 by y into dy equal to dt, or otherwise you will write dt by dy. You can bring the dy to the left hand side. 1 by y into dy equal to dt, you can substitute here. 1 by y into dy, it's nothing but what? dt by 1 by log y, it's t. Is it clear, children? See, 1 by y into dy is dt, 1 by log y equal to t, gives integral dx by x. What is integral dt by t? Log of mod t. Log of mod t equal to log of mod x plus log of mod c. Log of mod x plus log of mod c. Log of mod t. See here. Log of mod t equal to log m plus log n equal to log of modulus of xc. Log of modulus of xc. Taking anti-log on both the sides. Taking anti-log on both the sides. Log of modulus of, taking anti-log on both the sides, t equal to xc. T equal to xc. Taking anti-log on both the sides, t equal to xc. T is nothing but what? Log y. Log y equal to xc. Log y equal to xc. T equal to xc. T equal to log y equal to xc. See, t equal to xc, log y equal to xc. Rising the power exponential on both the sides, e power log and e power xc. E power log is e power log y equal to e power xc. E power log value is 1. Therefore, y equal to e power xc. Y equal to e power xc is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. Is the required general solution. Is it clear, children? See, you can take it as log y equal to 2 and differentiate 1 by y into dy equal, because differentiate with respect to y we are doing. So dt by dy you can bring it to the left hand side. So dt by t equal to dx by x. So log of dt by t, it's nothing but what? Log of mod t equal to log of mod x plus log of mod c. Taking log m plus log n formula, log mn, taking anti-log on both the sides, t equal to xc. What is t value? T equal to log y equal to xc. Raising the power e on both the sides, exponential. E power log value is 1. Y equal to e power xc is the required general solution. I hope you enjoyed, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.